Hello everyone, welcome back to Capricorn Technology. This is Sunil Jaiswal, Solution Specialist Manufacturing at Capricorn Technology. Today we are going to talk about how to use attribute block and how to add logo on title block. Capricorn Technology. Capricorn Technology is a Win0 company and a partner of choice for the AC industry. Is a Win0 company and is one of the biggest platinum partner of the Autodesk and Bentley. Along with authorized training center, we have 300 plus Spire team member. Capricorn is serving 20,000 customer in AEC and associated industry. Today agenda. Today I am going to teach two commands, attribute block and how to add logo. Both command reduce the design time and drawing would be presentable. Here, as we can see that wheel mounted portable plant 20 by 10 crusher with 2.5 dia into 12-inch long rotary screen. There is an assembly of wheel mounted portable crushing plant. And here all the manufacturing dying of the portable crushing plant. So today I am teaching to you attribute block. So how can you use the attribute block? We have to type ATT for attribute this title block. So firstly, we have to know why we use attribute. So today we will read about attribute, their use, the attribute block where a method of format is used. As we use title block in any drawing, there we can use attribute block because title block are used in each and every drawing. Suppose any legend or format you would use again and again, then you can use the attribute block as well. So you know, I think you understand why I used attribute block. So let's we will see how to attribute this title block. So ATT, type ATT, enter. Then here attribute definition window, we have two option, tag and prompt. So here type designed and enter design. Okay. First, this title block is also attributed, so we have to explode first. And delete this scale. Move and select match property. Then move command use. Again, this design text is attributed. Similarly, we can attribute drawn, checked, and approved. Otherwise, we have option copy command. We can CO enter. Then copy this text and double click on this text. Then we have only two options, tag and prompt. Here we have to type drawn and enter drawn. Similarly, checked and enter checked. approved, enter approved. After attributed this text, similarly as per required, we have attribute drawing number, title, scale, uh, you know, revision, all these things we can attribute. After attributed this text, we have two type block option: insert block and write block. Sorry, write block and make block. So here creating blocks, I used a write block. So type W, enter, and pick point, click corner of the title block and select object. We have to select one by one attributed text, because if I'll not selected one by one, then this will be not created as an attribute block. So first of all, one by one selection. After that, select whole the title blocks, then enter, then convert to block. Make sure select this option, convert to block, and file name and path. Click on this tab and save this drawing. Okay. Okay. In future, we will use this title block. So what can I do? I have to type I, enter. Then my drawing is name is 10. So double click on this drawing. Then redefined block. Click on the screen. Then we have showing these option: enter approved, enter checked, enter drawn, enter design. So we have only type whose person approved this drawing. So suppose which person name is suppose whose person name is Manish, and in checked Sunil, enter drawn, suppose Arun, Abhishek. So you have to type only name. This option is always uh, shown in title block. You have to type only that person which who approved, checked, drawn, and design. Similarly, you can add drawing number, sheet number, title, all the option you can attribute it. I am just showing the example how to attribute the how text in title box. Okay, so like this you will be generated the attribute block in title block. And next, how to add a logo in title block. So you have to go for insert raster image, select the logo of your company, open, and OK. And you can move this logo in corner. After you can use the scale command, move command, and adjust this image as per your required and your desired. Okay, so finally both topic is completed: attribute block and how to add logo. Do reach out to us. My mobile number and mail ID, official mail ID is given here. So thank you on behalf of Capricorn Technology. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.